Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to see more videos. And in this video, my kids will be doing a review of the Minecraft Happy Meal. And today, we are going to tell you guys what's inside the Happy Meal box, okay? So if you have been wondering what's inside the Minecraft Happy Meal, let's go. So here we are, and let me set up the camera right here. My kids will reveal to you guys what they ordered and what's inside the box. I just picked them up from school. They haven't seen anything yet. So yes. So the first thing is the drink. They like the orange high C.
Yeah.
So it's not soda. It's a combination of soda and juice. So this is what they like. And this is how
icy, guys.
This is how the box looks like. It is green and the back is just the logo, and as you can see,
it's logo with blocks of Minecraft.
It looks like bricks
with
Minecraft.
With Minecraft blocks.
Okay, so let's get started. Open your boxes, guys.
Open it. We can open our box now.
Ooh.
I got chicken nugget.
So Dylan ordered the 6-piece and Melody the 4-piece.
I got apples.
Apple.
No, it's B apples. B's apples. Apples now.
Apple. And there's the Minecraft bee.
And fries. Napkins. I didn't eat it, guys. Okay. And a toy.
Okay, we are about to show you guys the toy, what's inside the box. So,
where's my toy?
Here you go, Dylan. Comes in a packet.
Wait a second. So here's my toy box, so let's open it. Looks like you could build your little van. Dun, 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 I think I'll get this one or this one.
Probably the same as Dylan.
Yeah, I did.
And here are the 12 options that you can get. Let me get it really close for you guys. And Dylan got the blue one. I don't know the names, but...
This is a villager.
A villager?
Yeah. This
Evoker. The name is Evoker.
Evoker.
So he got this one.
A bucker.
Have you guys watched the movies? Let us know in the comment down below if the movie is really good. If you recommend it. We haven't watched the movie yet. Maybe we go sometime this month and check it out. Yes. So here's the toy. And I don't know what it does. It moves. So I guess you have to connect them all if you collect the 12.
Okay. Hey, Mom, what happens? Look, when you press its head. So this is what the toy does.
I didn't put the sauce. I knew it. That's why I ordered sauces. So that's it.
Yeah, so this is what the toy does. So you have the toy. So it has the bump. So you can either press it down from its head, or if you have it like this, you can just
okay.
Tap, tap, tap.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. And this is just a short little video of us showing us what's inside the Minecraft Happy Meal. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And chicken nugget.
Bye.